Hello, welcome back to my class, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, in my last class, I have discussed about articles. Alright, so today I have come with a new chapter, that is verb. Okay, in this chapter, we'll get to know what actually verb is. Okay, what actually verb is. But before I begin this chapter, I would like to say something that a verb has its different kinds. A verb has its different kinds, but in this chapter, or I can say that in this class, you will get to know about the verb only, And the rest, all of the things you will get to know in future. Okay, so let's write the name of the chapter. The serial number of the chapter is chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is verb. All right. So here we go. What actually verb is? Okay, this is the thing which we will figure out in this class. A verb is a word. A verb is a word like noun. Okay. This is also a word. A verb is a word that expresses an action. A verb is a word that expresses an action. Let me make it a bit easy. Okay. A verb is an action word. A verb is an action word that something what we do, what I do, what you do. Understand what I said? Many a times, each and every day, we make lots of sentences. Okay, when we talk with the people, we make lots of sentences. At that time, you will find in some sentences, in each and every sentences, you will find there is a word which shows an action. What? An action. All right. So this is simply called as verb. A verb is a word that expresses an action. Or we can say that a verb is an action word. A verb is an action word that something you do, that something I do, or that something all of us do. Understood it? So this is what actually verb is. Now let me write some words there in the board. Run, sleep, swim, swim. Okay. So look at the board and see all these words. All these words that tell us what actually people, animals, or what things do. So these are called what? Action word. What? These are called action word. What am I doing right now? What am I doing? I am taking your class, for example. So taking would be what? I am taking your class. All right. So here you see the word taking. This shows an action. So the word taking would be what? Verb. As simple as that. All right. To show you more examples, I have to rub all these things. So now you see, I shall write some examples here in the board. Afterwards, we have to find out the verb from the sentences. So the first sentence we see here, Gagan reads the book. All right. Gagan reads the book. Now we have to identify the verb from this sentence. Our duty is what? Our duty is to identify the verb from the sentence and identify the verb from the sentence, or we can circle that particular verb. You see, Gagan reads the book. Now you find the verb. You find it. Okay, let me do. So here you see the word is what? is a verb. Here we can find there is action. Somebody is reading, okay, doing something. Moving on to the next question, we see boys play hockey. Boys play hockey. Boys play hockey. Boys play hockey. Here you see, here also you have to find the verb. As I say, we shall find the verb only. So here you see, these are the three words, we shall find the verb. Now you see the verb, the action, what you see? As simple as that, that play. Very simple thing, you see play. The word play would be what? A verb, okay. In the next example we see the cow eats grass. Here you see what the cow is exactly doing. Exactly what is he doing? What? The cow not doing what? He eats grass. He eats, the cow eats grass. So here the action is what? This shows an action. The word eats shows an action. You see, the word eats shows an action. Action. All right. So you see, this would be the verb eat. In the last example, I will show you that birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. There are also some words we find in this sentence. Our duty is what? To find the verb. To find the verb from the sentence. So here you see birds fly in the sky. What exactly are the birds doing? You see, they are flying. What you can say? Birds fly, that we know, they fly in the sky. So this word shows an action. That word shows an action. You see, fly. So the verb would be what? Fly. Okay, let me give one more example. Rohan walks in a shop. All right. So this is also a sentence. Now you find out the verb from this sentence. Rohan walks in a shop. Find out. Okay. Let me do. I know somebody is saying that the word work is a verb. Yeah, you are right, completely you are right. So here also you see the word work shows what? Shows an action. So that is the reason why this would be the verb in this sentence. So this is the basic thing we have to learn, we have to remember in this class only, and in future you will get to learn about the parts, about the kinds of the verb. So before I leave the class, I would like to remind you, I would like to repeat that what actually verb is. A verb is a word that expresses an action. That will show you some what? A verb is a word that expresses an action. It will show you some kind of action, or we can say that in simple. Simply we can say that what? A verb is an action word, that something what we do, that something what I do, that something what we do, that you do. Now this is the basic thing we have to remember. So this is simply called as what? Verb. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter. I hope you guys have understood what I said. Now still, if you have any kind of problem, please ask me in the comment box. given below. Till then, study well, be happy, and don't trouble your mother and father. Thank you once again.